Alright, y'all, so it's disconnected. So what you do, you just take this little ring right here, you take it from around it and just put it back, push it back. And this is the screen that comes off. It's all off. Here is the new one. We're gonna put this new one on. I'm gonna lay that right there. And what you do, hook that thing up right there. See? You're gonna hook those up, gonna push that in there, and you're gonna make that ring go over. So you're gonna push it in. Make sure you be gentle, because you don't want to cause a shortage of anything. And push that in. Take that wire. Make sure it's pressed down around. And you're going to take that little blue strip. You're going to put that blue strip right on top to keep it secure so it won't come off. And then you put that blicky right back. And this is when it starts getting be fast. And all you're doing is just screwing everything back on. And that's that. Let's take this off. That off. His tablet should be charged. Okay, you just gotta make sure it's up in there. So it's up in there now. Make sure it's up in the slots. It's in there. Alright. So what we gonna do? Put the screws back in. Make sure I'll put this one. This is the strip one. We're gonna put the strip one back where it was.
Ow!
Alright, make sure it's tight. We're gonna go here, use this. Since, like I said, this is a strip screw. You want to make sure that the screen is in there taut. Make sure it's in that hole. You might want to use your nail to guide it. Put that there. Right. All right. Now that that's back on, you're gonna put this here. Don't need it down. Okay, put this down. Your computer, your thing is charged, son. Uh-oh. Make sure put that there. Q. You don't need to put it in charger. It's not already charged.
Already charged?
Yes, it's already charged. Hold on. I gotta make sure you don't click that one because this side will get clicked on. So put that down. Make sure it's lined up first.
Mom, no.
Oh, let me show y'all that it was working. There you go. Make sure you do not screw these screws in too tight so you won't have to worry about a stripped screw. It's the best part, is hearing the clicks. And there you have it, guys. Don't take long at all.